In the previous videos, we have been, exploring the different types of singular plural, the different models that are there in making a noun from singular to plural. In that we saw S model, ES model, IES model, VES model, and then variation. And then now we are going to see the changing of compound words into plural. For example, see that bathroom. See, bathroom. In this, the noun room is taken into account and it is changed into bathrooms. See, we don't consider the beginning word of bath, the word bath. It is an adjective actually. So the noun is taken into account, the second word is taken into account. Like that, dining room or dining hall. Okay? Dining halls. Dining room, hall, dining halls. Halls. Dining halls. Bathroom, bathrooms. Dining hall, dining halls. Okay? And then drawing room. Drawing room. Okay, again, drawing rooms. Drawing rooms. Just like that it goes. So, likewise, we are having some other words like son-in-law. Son-in-law. There are three words here. Here, the first word which is acting as a noun. This is a noun. This is preposition, and this is a noun. So, sons-in-law. The first word is taken into account for making it into plural. Sons-in-law. Sons-in-law. Likewise, daughter-in-law, daughters-in-law, mother-in-law, mothers-in-law. See, sons-in-law, daughter-in-law, daughter-in-law will be changed into daughters-in-law, daughters-in-law, daughters, daughters-in-law. Okay? Likewise it goes, my dear. So these compound words will take either in one type the noun is taken into account, the second word is taken into account and it is converted into plural and thereby it becomes plural. In another type, in another type when there are three words like son-in-law, it is converted into plural as sons-in-law. So likewise it goes. So compound words are made into plural likewise. And there is one more model, that is addition of ren and n suffix. Addition of ren and n suffix. How does it come? How does it go? Child, children. Child, children. We are adding the suffix ren to it and making it into plural, children, like that. Okay? Brother, brethren, and then like that, ox, oxen. By adding en and by adding ren, certain nouns are changed into plural. That is the eighth model in singular plural. So thereby we have got all these things: S model, ES model, IES model, VES model, variation, vowel change, and then changing of compound words into plural, and then addition of ren and en suffix to the noun when we want to change them into plural. So singular plural plays a vital part in English grammar. And to make it rather easier, I have given these models for your reference. Once again, I can say S model, ES model, IES model, VES model, okay, and then variation, and then vowel changes, and then changing of compound words into plural, and then the last one is addition of ren or en suffix to the primary word, that is the root word, and then thereby changing them into plural. So thank you very much. All the best.